traditional business education was very much theoretical. Lot of books, lot of curriculum, etc. But there was never any emphasis on how that could get translated on the ground practically. So I think today the need of the hour is practical training, the ability to be able to translate the theory into practice, the ability to learn and unlearn rapidly, be adept with all the digital tools and technologies. I think if these three things are done with a lot of focus on risks and uncertainties and geopolitical situations around the world, the ground would be covered.
Traditional education depended on theory, a bit of examples and the context setting with the cases. The new age business education is more field-led, more activity-led, more action-led, rather than only learning part of it. So you need to focus on the triangle: knowing, doing, and the being. Earlier only knowing was focused. Now you have to focus a lot more about the being, which means practical, and being, which is about self, about failure, about managing your own life. That is extremely critical today.
Today is when we compare with the pattern that we used to have and what is today, it has changed enormously. And I guess that exactly it's made curriculum more interactive, and that is the need of the hour, that every person who's responsible of shaping careers and shaping minds needs to be more proof with. So yeah.
I think the earlier education was more, I would say, that theoretical in nature, and students were not given an opportunity to think beyond what was generally taught. And at this point of time, what students are being told that they can explore whatever they wanted, and they are not limited to their own kind of traditional approach boundaries. They are going out of way, and they are encouraged to come up with some ideas and then work on those ideas and make those ideas work for the society or for their professional growth.
See, there's a vast difference of how we have taught students or how students have learned in the traditional era versus modern era. Right now, it's all about your application-based learning. It's about project-based work. It's about how do you teach students so differently that they come, they ideate, they discover, and then they develop things on their own. So let's move out of the era of only books and theories and enter into the area of application and technology.
So traditional business education in my mind was more about knowledge, whereas business education today has to be more about experience. It prepares people for challenges because they should go through some kind of simulation of what the real world is before they come into it and start working in it.
It has come a long way. We need to make the current business education more relevant, more industry oriented, more startup oriented.
The traditional business education that was taught was more theoretical. Currently, they are using a lot of technology, case studies to teach students to make them more hands-on, industry ready. But however, I think there should be more industry and academic interface to be created so that students have a better understanding of the industrial scenario, what exactly is required for them to be industry ready once they are out of college, so that they become instantly employable.